Have you been looking for easy ways to make money online? Welcome to eCash Society. Bitcoin talk, mining rig tutorials, and paying smartphone applications all in one location.
Mr. eCash back with another video, and I'll start by saying thank you to the Q who has submitted his phone farm to the channel. I do want to talk about very quickly how profitability for phone farming is still decent. So if you look at the profitability of mining right now, it's way in the pits. So I want to do some quick math for you guys. If you can get your phones for $10 a piece, right? We've actually done this math before, but I'm going to do it once again in this video. If you could get your phones at $10 a piece, that means for $100 you could have 10 phones. Now, $400 would have you with 40 phones. And if you do the math on how much you can make out of a phone farm, if you're not making over $100 a month off of 40 phones right now doing this, then you're doing something wrong. Now, if you look at the return of investment, the return of investment would be right at 4 months for your phones. In many cases right now, graphics cards do not pay for themselves. If you know a way to pay for some high-end graphics cards for mining within under 4 months, then I would be shocked. And there's something that I need to hear. There's something I need to know about the world of mining cryptocurrencies. So I'm currently mining here in my home. It is still not as profitable as my phone farm. It's officially come to that. It wasn't like that at the end of last year, but right now, phone farming is doing so much for me. But I want to hop right into this video. We're going to check out this submission. I hope you guys will kind of listen to the advice that's in this video. If you're thinking about building a phone farm, right now it's still profitable. You should be considering doing this, especially if you're interested in the world of cryptocurrencies. And if you're trying to get into mining, there's an opportunity for you to do something just like this that we're doing that could be even more profitable. But let's hop right into it.
Alright guys, let's start this out with a shout out to Mr. eCash. Doing a great job, man. Keep up the good fight. Alright, I procrastinated long enough. I'll show you guys my phone farm. Don't try all this at home, kids. Some things you're going to see are tests, so don't want you doing anything you don't want to be doing. So, alright. Now let's start out by saying these are my custom racks. This is the first of the two. These were actually reclaimed from a garden store that had these seed racks that they gave to my dad a while ago, and we actually used them for his needs for a while. Then I took them and cut some metal off, ground a whole bunch of stuff down, painted them, mounted them to the wall, and here we go. Alright, well, let's get into this rack a little bit. I got all my cables managed under here, all zip tied, coming over to their power strips out on the left. And like I said, this is the first rack, and here is the second rack. Same thing. Yeah, my cords are managed, but they are exposed. I do not care that I can see my cords. It is functional. They stay cool. I have access to everything. Works out pretty good. Alright, let's go into some of these apps a little bit and try to be quick and to the point. Got some Cheetah Keyboard running up there testing. Got some UTV. Got some Viggles. Got 4 app-like family apps right here. We got AppFlame, CoinPop, MoneyRar, and FitPlay. And let's go over here. I must add that me and my girlfriend both have Perk accounts. We've got rows of Perk TV, Perk Word Search. I got some app trailers and a UTV here. We got some more Perk TV, and we got some more Word Search down there. Now each of these racks holds 30 phones, 6 per row, 5 rows. Alright, let's go over and see what I have on the computers. Oh, let's not forget, I have 5 app trailers as well over here that look like they're doing about nothing. I got some notes, I got a tablet that has Play Buddy running on it. Let's come over here. This is my main computer. Got some Rewardable, some Engage Me TV running. There's my beast back in there. Alright, come over here. Got 2 Rewardables and an Engage Me TV running on my laptop, doing their thing. Here's a new router I just bought. Funny thing about this router, this is a Nighthawk AC 1750, and I could only, it had nice gigabit ports, so I got good speed to my computers, but I could only handle about 30 or 35 devices with this. When you look down here at my old beast that I have hooked up in tandem, this is just a crappy Netgear. This thing can handle almost 70 devices right here. So that's kind of interesting how the old technology trumps this new technology. It's kind of sad. Let's come over here. It's got a Rewardable and Engage Me running on my girlfriend's computer, you know, nothing too crazy. But yeah, just wanted to make this quick. That's pretty much it. Again, I'm the Q in Discord. If anyone needs to message me, ask me any questions about my setup or whatnot. But yeah, guys, keep it real and farm on.
Alright, so the lucky ones, he's one of the lucky ones that actually has 2 different perk accounts. So if you don't know, which I'm sure a lot of you already know, but if you don't know, you can have a second perk account. All you have to do is get your perk account verified, and you do that by sending them 2 different IDs. So you email them about having a second perk account. One thing I can say here is there were a few different UI applications that you were using. You could definitely still expand. I'm not sure like how things are going with, you know, you've got your 2 different routers there. I would assume that means you have 2 different IPs that you can work with as well. So you have a lot of options that are available to you. But I don't want to let this drag on and just go on and on about different things. I would ask you if down below in the comments of this video, if you could let everybody know the profitability of your phone farm right now. That's the one thing you could do. I feel like that's everything though. If there's anything else you want to tell everybody down below, just let everybody know anything that's on your mind. And of course, if you guys have any questions about his setup, feel free to comment down below and let him know the things that are on your mind. If you're considering starting a phone farm, it is still profitable right now. I still get free products. I still have money that's coming into PayPal. It's amazingly profitable in comparison to my mining setup. I'll lightly touch on this. I have 2 Titan XPs, a 1080 Ti, and 2 1060s that are currently mining me some cryptocurrencies, and it's just there's no comparison. The phone farm is doing better. It's a sad fact that may change towards the end of this year or towards maybe mid next year. We'll see the profitability of mining maybe go up. Let's hope it does. I think a lot of people right now, they need it to. But guys, I believe that's everything. If you enjoyed this video, if it kind of gives you an idea to make some more money, to put some more money in your pocket, remember where you got this information from. A like and a subscribe goes a long way, and I'll be back with you for another video here pretty soon. That's right, you've been looking for easy ways to make money online. And from here, guys, you can check out some more of my content on my YouTube channel via the links on either side of me, or you can head over to my website and start making money immediately with my website and learning more ways to make money online. And guys, as always, like, comment, and subscribe.